Hey, this is Bryan, thanks for watching Keys. In today's video, I'm gonna show you step-by-step how to tune a 992 Carrera using an APR Ultralink with an APR tune. Now, if you're watching this video, I expect that you probably already have one of these in your hand. You're sitting in your car ready to flash. But if you're not quite there yet, we have a link for you down in the description below where we have a video on our main YouTube channel where we do a head-to-head comparison of APR, COBB, and M Engineering. So with that, let's get started. Now, when it comes to tuning your car, you wanna make sure that you have it on a battery charger. You don't want the car to die mid-flash. That is bad news. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna open up our frunk. And if you haven't found your battery yet, you take this piece of plastic, you lift it up, you pull it out like that, and there's a little cut in the hood. Put it just like that, super convenient. Then using your battery charger of choice, we will have this one linked for you down below. You wanna make sure that you hook this up. This way, we'll get all the juice we need. Next, after the car is on the battery charger, we're going to plug in our APR Ultralink. This portion here is going to go to the OBD port in the car. You're going to use the supplied cable and hook the other end into a Windows-based PC. All right, so take your Ultralink, it just plugs in down here. Then take the USB-C and plug it into the dongle. All right, so then take the other end and plug it into your computer. After that, with your foot off the brake and the key in the car, put your car into accessory mode. Next, you're going to go to ultralink.goapr.com. You're gonna be presented with this screen and you're going to log in. If you haven't already created a login, this is the screen where you can hit this little button over there and you can sign up for an account. All right, once you log in, you're going to be presented with this screen. What I recommend you do first is go over here to Update Ultralink. So you're going to click that button, select your unit, and then connect. And this is going to check for any firmware updates. And as you can see, my device is up to date. After that, you're going to go to this top block where it says Tune Vehicle. Then APR is going to need to identify your vehicle, and you hit Continue. Okay, so then next you're going to go to this screen right here, and it's going to pull up the VIN number of your car and maybe some other information about what stage you're on and whatnot. So from here, you're going to hit this button over here that says Configure ECU. Then if you scroll down just a little bit, you're going to see where it says stock, and this is your stock tune that's on the car right now, and stage 1. Now, if you have not purchased a license yet, this is where it's going to show a price. They're close to $2,000 at the time of filming this video for the 992 911. Once you buy it, it'll go back and it'll say 0 because you already own it, as I do. So for today, we're going to click stage 1, then we're going to hit next. Then at this screen, you have an opportunity to decide on what octane you want to run. Out here in New Jersey, we like to run 93 on the daily. So we're going to use this. But I do want to mention that if you cross state lines and they only have 91, or if you want to run race gas or ethanol, you have the ability and all of that is included with your tune. The other option that you have with APR is the additional sport exhaust sound. Now this does have an additional cost, but it helps keep the valves open longer. It makes the car sound a little bit louder. But for now, I'm going to leave that off. Once you've configured this with the correct fueling and any additional options, you can hit finish. All right, so then you'll be presented with this screen here. Just go over here to where it says complete. All right, so then from here, you're going to hit configure my vehicle. Connect to the Ultralink one more time, and the flash will begin. All right, so now what you want to do is key off for about 5 or 10 seconds, then put it back into accessory mode. And all you're going to do is hit this little button here. All right, and as you can see, the programming is complete. You can now start your vehicle and unplug your Ultralink. So as you just saw, it is a very easy process to be able to flash your Carrera from your garage. The biggest thing I have to say is always have a battery charger on. Now this flash took about 5 or 6 minutes, which isn't that much time. But again, you never want the car to turn off while the flash is being applied. So it's always a good idea to have one. We have that and also everything for the Ultralink linked for you down below, where you're also going to find a video to our main YouTube channel where we do a head-to-head comparison of APR, COBB, and engineering, and we show you the actual dyno results. Once again, my name is Bryan. I hope you found today's video helpful. If so, leave us a comment below, let us know. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.